So we're just on the roof and had this unit that was having some high head pressure issues, tripping on high discharge temperature on the sensors. When we got on the roof, we found that a couple of things had happened. One was running down to one zone that was then, too much. The lack of airflow was causing us an issue. They had a dirty coil, so we've gone through and washed the coil. I'll show you what we've done here. So we've taken the return air duct off and we've gone through and cleaned the coil, and we're just soaking at the moment. We're about to do the next wash on the coil just to try and get all the dirt off it. This was completely, you can see it's a bit darker here, this was completely covered in dirt. A big thing to be able to make sure that we keep cleaning the filters, and basic maintenance on your system helps prolong the use of the unit and saves on breakdowns and repair issues. So one of the key elements to making sure your system works well and continues to work well is doing maintenance. And that can be just as simple as something you guys do by cleaning the return air filter, or you can get professionals like ourselves to come in and make sure that your system's working to optimum conditions and efficiency. But your air conditioners, much like your car, the car companies have trained us very well to ensure that we take a car in and get serviced every 10,000 or every 15,000 Ks. Your air conditioner too has mechanical parts, because if something it goes round, it wears out. And it's always important to ensure that your unit's working efficiently, and by doing so, having it serviced is very important. So